I just love this hydrogen gas rocket video. Just see it. So first, this guy has cut the head of some puster pipette, and that is actually the rocket. And then he is calibrating it into 6 equal volumes, because here he will play with the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen.
Fill that with water. You'll find out why in just a bit. Each one of those is approximately 1.1.
Yeah, so first he is calibrating the volume into 6
Now I
equal
can start
parts.
to do a ratio. I can
Now we know for combustion we need 3 things: fuel, oxygen and heat or fire. So here hydrogen is a combustible gas. So hydrogen acts as a fuel and he is supplying hydrogen plus oxygen mixture. So we already giving fuel and oxygen together. Now as soon as he puts heat or fire using that black machine, so the hydrogen vigorously reacts with oxygen and it produces thrust towards the backward side, because of which the rocket launches to the forward side.
Okay, see? Kaboom! That's what we want. One of the very best things about doing this activity is that there are any number of variables that can be tested. We're just going to test the ratio of hydrogen to oxygen and see if we can come up with a perfect ratio of hydrogen gas to oxygen gas to get the best launch. I'll use this exact same setup the whole time so that I don't introduce any other variables. Let's launch. We're going to start off with a ratio of 1 part hydrogen gas and 5 parts oxygen. And then we'll work our way down all those ratios and find out which one is the very best. We're going to leave a little bit in the bottom to keep the gas inside. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
So at the end, he's playing with the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen to see which ratio is the perfect to give the rocket maximum distance. And we saw that when the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is 2:1, means 4 parts of hydrogen and 2 parts of oxygen, that time the rocket goes furthest. This is because when hydrogen reacts with oxygen, it produces water. And the reaction is actually in a 2:1 fashion. So 2 parts hydrogen reacts with 1 part of oxygen and makes water molecule.